Haripriya, could you solve this question?
Sir, I did solve it, sir, but I'm not able to find it on my answer.
Acha, the answer you are not able to get. Okay.
I couldn't get the last final answer. So.
Did you get that hint that I gave last time?
Yes, sir.
You should be able to do it. राधिका, तुम्हारा सर्किल नहीं हुआ होगा ना? हेलो हेलो हेलो
हेलो।
राधिका, आवाज आ रही है?
यस सर। तो मुझे कौन से लेक्चर से देखना
हैं?
मुझे लाइक ऐप पे कौन से
हाँ,
लेक्चर से देखना
नहीं देखिए ना, उसको देखना पड़ेगा तुमको।
कौन से वाले से देखना?
सारे देखो ना, उससे पहले सर्किल से देखो, मैथ्स के सर्किल वाले देखो।
ओके,
ये तो समझ में ही नहीं आएगा, इसलिए तो मैंने बोला था तुमको। देख लेना उसको, है ना, सर्किल वगैरह देख लेना।
ठीक है सर।
ऐसी फिजिक्स में तो क्या नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट होगा वर्क पावर एनर्जी के बाद। वर्क कोलिजन चल रहा है, कोलिजन खत्म हो गया ऑलमोस्ट पूरा, कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज खत्म हो गया है, क्वेश्चंस होंगे उसमें।
ओके सर।
हम्म ये लोग इनको भी। अच्छा, श्यामा का टेस्ट हो रहा है क्या? ओके। दीपा का भी टेस्ट ही चल रहा हो, सबके टेस्ट चल रहे हैं भैया। अच्छा, सी हरिप्रिया, आई टेल यू, लेट्स स्टार्ट। टुडे एवरीवन हैज टेस्ट। हाँ, सी, this is our question. Let B be the center of the circle. The center of this circle will be what? This is the circle. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Center you know. देखो राधिका, तुम्हें मैं एक चीज बता देता हूँ इसमें, कि ये सर्किल ना, सर्किल की बेसिक सर्किल की एक इक्वेशन होती है, जिससे कि तुम्हें समझ में आए ना, क्योंकि थोड़ी बहुत चीजें तुम्हें पता होंगी, वो हल्की फुल्की तुम्हें बता दूंगा साइड में अभी, बाकी तुम वीडियो देख के एक बार कवर कर लेना, ठीक है? अब देखो इसमें क्या है कि जब भी हमारे पास इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल ऐसी होती है ना, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 2gx प्लस 2fy प्लस c, ये इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल है। इस सर्किल का जो सेंटर होता है वो होता है -g, -f, और इसका जो रेडियस होता है वो होता है √g² प्लस f² माइनस c। क्यों होता है ये तुम्हें वीडियो देख के समझ में आ जाएगा। ओके, पहला कॉन्सेप्ट जो तुम्हारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है यहाँ पे वो ये है कि एक तो ये चीज होती है, और दूसरा सर्किल की इक्वेशन अपन ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, जैसे सपोज हमारे पास कोई सर्किल है ना, वी हैव दिस सर्किल, इसका सेंटर है हमारे पास अल्फा कॉमा बीटा, और उसका रेडियस है मान लो r, तो उसके केस में हमारे पास इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल होती है x माइनस अल्फा होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस बीटा होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r²। सिंपल सिंपल सा वो है अंडरस्टैंडिंग। अगर तुम कोई भी एक रैंडम पॉइंट x, y लोगे तो उसका डिस्टेंस सेंटर से r ही होगा, तो इसीलिए हमारी जो इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल ये होती है। तो हम सर्किल की इक्वेशन इस तरह से लिखते हैं, इसमें ऑब्वियसली इसकी अगर तुमने इक्वेशन ऐसे लिखी है तो अल्फा कॉमा बीटा सेंटर है इसका, रेडियस r है, ठीक है, ये भी जो इक्वेशन जो तुम ऊपर देख रहे हो जो मैंने लिखी है, ये भी हम एक्चुअली सेंटर इसका कैसे निकालते हैं, इसको जो अपन इस टाइप में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं, वो सब तुम्हें वीडियो में समझ में आ जाएगा, है ना।
कन्वर्ट कैसे होगा?
कन्वर्ट कन्वर्ट तुम कर ही लोगे, देखो x² + 2gx प्लस इसमें इधर g² ऐड कर दो, y² + 2fy प्लस f² ऐड कर लो, और उधर g² + f² माइनस c हो गया। ये वाला पार्ट हो गया, ये x + g होल स्क्वायर हो गया, ये वाला पार्ट हो गया y + f होल स्क्वायर हो गया,
अच्छा,
ये हो गया √g² + f² माइनस c का होल स्क्वायर। x माइनस, समझ में आ गया ना।
यस।
x माइनस ऑफ माइनस f होल स्क्वायर हो गया, ये √, ये हो गया जिसका प्लस स्क्वायर माइनस c का होल स्क्वायर। इसलिए रेडियस ऑफ सेंटर ऐसा आता है, इसलिए। अब इतना काफी है, बाकी तो फिर तुम ज्योमेट्री लगाते हो। इतना इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, क्योंकि तुम्हें ऑलरेडी स्ट्रेट लाइन की नॉलेज है, तो इसलिए तुम्हें ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं समझने में। जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें थी वो मैंने तुम्हें यहाँ बता दी, इससे ये चीजें। अब देखो, नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन इज लेट बी बी द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल, दिस इज दिस। अब देखो इसको, इफ यू कंपेयर दिस इक्वेशन विद दिस x² + y² + 2gx + 2fy + c, इसका सेंटर बताओ। राधिका सेंटर बताओ फटाफट कंपेयर करके।
ये पॉइंट को है।
हाँ करेक्ट, 1 का -2 हो गया ना, 1 का -2। नाउ द रेडियस, और रेडियस भी फाइंड आउट करो। दिवा तुमने सॉल्व किया था इस क्वेश्चन को?
सर वो एक्चुअली मेरा आज वीएमसी में टेस्ट था,
अच्छा अच्छा,
तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रही थी।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी कर लेते हैं, कर ही रहे हैं हम लोग सॉल्व अभी। राधिका वो बताओ रेडियस। रेडियस 2 होगा ना। g² + f² + -c होता है ना, g 1 है, 1² -2² -c -1 हो गया, 2 हो गया रेडियस। अब देखो ये चीजें तुम लोगों ने निकाल लिया, दिस थिंग यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड, दिस रेडियस, this point you already know. It's given, let the tangent at the 2 point P and Q, don't worry about tangents, that I'll teach you later after this. Tangents at 2 point P and Q, the circle intersects at the point A 3,1. These are two tangents which intersect at 3,1. This is one tangent, this is another tangent, 3,1 पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं। अब पूछ रहा है ये कि 8 times area of triangle APQ, this triangle, by area of triangle BPQ will be what? Now what do we do here? Last time I've given you some hint using this triangle property. राधिका मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा सा टाइम दे रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा सोचो, और सोच के मुझे बताओ क्या ट्राइंगल की प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करके कि तुम ये ट्राइंगल APQ और BPQ इनके एरियाज निकाल सकते हो। हरिप्रिया यू नो, हाँ क्या कह रहे हो?
लेडीज पता है मैं।
देखो बताता हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा तुम्हें टाइम लगेगा मोमेंटम बनाने। सी हरिप्रिया and Diva, how do we do? We know actually we know this one, AB distance already. AB distance you can already find. AB is equal to √2 square plus 3 square. 3 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. 4 plus 9, root 13. This distance is root 13. ठीक है ना राधिका, ये तो तुम्हारे लिए भी नया नहीं है, पुराना ही है, सब पुराना ही चल रहा है. This is 2. Now this is right angle triangle. You know the angle made by the radius and the tangent is 90 degree. So can you find distance PA? Haripriya, can you find distance PA?
Yes, sir. Could use the
Pythagoras theorem.
trigonometry.
Yes,
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras theorem, it's 2 square plus x square, or I can write this is AP square is equal to 13. So AP square will be what? 13 minus 4, 9. So AP will be 3. Okay na, Diva, Radhika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this again, if you see, the below one is also same. So AQ will be 3 again. Now can see, I want the area of APQ. Obviously, APQ will be triangle APQ will be twice, area of triangle APQ will be twice of the area. If I say this point is R, APR. It's little small, but just see this one. I'm trying to show this area. But what now my question is, you will find that triangle APQ because you know twice of APR. But and to find out this triangle, you need the area of this triangle. You need base and height. How do you find it? You only know this hypotenuse for this triangle. You do not know this and this. What thing you will use here to find out these? And now I'm telling you everything is in front of you. अब लगाओ अपना दिमाग राधिका. देखो मैंने बताया, what I told, you have to find out this area of this triangle APQ. I've already told you the area of this triangle APQ is twice of the area of triangle APR. APR is my this triangle, A, P and this one, green one. अब तुम लोगों को you know only this thing, AP. You do not know this PR or AR, means base or height. You do not know. How are you going to find out this base and this height using this information, using the information which is present in front of you? You know AB.
EQ को ABQ को शायद क्या होगा? 1/2 into 2 into 3.
नहीं ऐसे भी ऐसे कुछ थोड़ी ना लिख सकते हो तुम. Diva, you have any idea?
Sir, I'm thinking.
यहाँ पे सर टेंजेंट की लेंथ है, उसका कोई यूज है?
हाँ यूज तो है.
तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई करूँ?
कोई लॉजिक बताओ ना, बिना लॉजिक के कैसे कुछ किसी से भी कुछ
पूछ
मल्टीप्लाई
ली,
थोड़ी
मैं
कर।
एक बार देख रही सोच लो।
कर तो देखो, कर तो सकते हो क्योंकि बहुत डिफरेंट वेज हैं। अब तुम अगर इसको एज ए बेस लोगे तो ये परपेंडिकुलर हाइट निकालोगे। पर निकालोगे कैसे? परपेंड कहानी तो यही है ना, परपेंडिकुलर हाइट निकालोगे कैसे? ये कैसे निकालोगे? हरिप्रिया, यू आर गेटिंग एनी आइडिया?
So you could actually find the length of PQ.
PQ length, how?
So you could use the distance formula to find P and then find Q.
Array, you guys are not thinking actually. See, this one, this is theta. Can I say if I take this triangle, this whole triangle, this is 90, this is 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to 2 by 3. Or
Yes.
simply can I write tan theta is equal to 3 by 2? Now I know this one. Tan theta is known to me. Now this is theta. This is again 90 minus theta. Can I find this height using sine theta? Sine of 90 minus theta will be equal to this y by 3.
You get cos theta would be 2 by root 3 is equal to y by 3.
Okay ना? So I can use cos theta will be equal to y by 3. समझ में आ रहा है ये सब?
Yes.
Diva, you are getting it?
Yes, sir.
Here this cos theta will be y by 3, so I'll get this height y. Now you will get everything. Because this tan theta is 3 by 2, so it will be root 13. So sine theta will be 3 by root, cos theta will be 2 by root 13. So 2 by root 13 is equal to y by 3. So y is equal to 6 by root 13. You've got the this one height. Similarly, you can find out using this, you can find out this base also. If I say this is x, then you can find out cos of 90 minus theta will be equal to your x divided by 3, which is sine theta is equal to x by 3. So sine theta is 3 by root 13, x by 3. So x will be 9 by root 13. Now you can find out the area. APR, half into,
18 आ गया क्या?
1 minute, 9 by root 13 into 6 by root 13. ट्राइंगल एपी फाइनल आंसर बता रहे हो क्या?
हाँ सर, एन में 8 से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है ना?
हम्म
27 by 30.
27 into 2 by root
No,
2.
into 2. 54.
54 by 13. Now this is
And you have to divide it by No, multiplied by, no, divided by 2.
Why?
To find a BP,
Acha, BPQ na? BPQ also we have to find. Similar way you can find out BPQ now. This Y you know, this theta you know. You can find out this base.
to only find the height for the BPQ triangle, because we already know the base.
You already know the theta, you already know the height also. Base only you have to find, whatever you do, you have to find out this value only. Actually, one more thing you can do, because you know already you know the x. This AB distance you already know. So this distance will become root 13 minus x. Root 13 minus 9 by root 13. 13 minus 9 by root 13. 4 by root 13.
So you'll kind of get confused when the answers in roots.
Just keep your cool. Keep on solving. Actually, these questions are given to confuse you only. But the only idea that I wanted to give you is to find out these kinds of areas and solve these kinds of angles. You have to just use the geometry and make use of the angles that you assume. One angle if you take, other is 90 degree, other will be 90 minus theta, and then accordingly you can use in the triangle to find out the area, base, height, something that you want. Okay, now just tell me what is your answer.
It
18 ना, हाँ, ठीक. You'll get 18 as the answer. I'll give you one more question of this type. Try solving this. दिवा तुम्हारा आया?
Yes, sir.
हो जाएगा solve. अच्छा, try solving this one. This is new one. क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया? डिड एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन?
sir.
ओके, राधिका समझ में आया?
बहुत आ गया।
डायग्राम तो नहीं बनाना?
बना लिया।
बना लिया। हरिप्रिया, यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir, I'm drawing one more.
ओके, इफ एनीवन हैज डाउट्स ask, tell me, I'll draw the diagram. There should not be any problem on the diagram. Let me draw the diagram for you. Wait. This is your circle. Two tangents are being drawn from a point -1, 1 like this. One tangent this, one tangent this. ये -1, 1 है. This is your circle. If these tangents touch the circle at point A and B, this is your A, this is your B. If D is a point on the circle such that the length of segment AB and AD are equal. Oh. It is such that this length AB, there is one more point. The possible point may be here. Don't know where it is, that you have to find. But the point can be somewhere here. It's given AD is equal to AB. And the area of triangle ABD they are asking.
Sir, once you connect BD, wouldn't angle ADB be... no, no, no.
So, can you put the formula for radius function?
A formula for
Radius.
radius. अच्छा. Radius is root over G square plus F square minus C.
Okay. Put tangent की length का कोई formula है? Like to find the tangent.
Tangent की length
Tangent को find करने के लिए कोई formula है?
नहीं, तुम वैसे भी निकाल सकते हो ना उसको. अरे भाई, तुम्हें अगर ये सेंटर पता है, सेंटर पता है ना, ये क्या है, 1,3 है शायद ये.
1,3.
अब ये रेडियस भी पता चल गई है. रेडियस कितनी निकाला तुमने?
2.
हाँ, ये रेडियस पता है, ये 2 है, तो निकाल सकते हो ना तुम ये. देखो, ये सेंटर, इसका इससे डिस्टेंस पता है तुमको, रेडियस पता है, ये निकाल लोगे क्योंकि राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल होता है. Actually, this question becomes very easy if you draw it very properly. Using the coordinate systems, if you draw now, it will become further easier. Let me draw it here. The circle is, center is 1, 3, and the radius you have found out to be 2. It's 1, 3, 2. Point P is minus 1, 1. Let's see it's satisfying or not. 1, 1 plus 2 minus 6 plus 6.
It doesn't.
It doesn't. So the point will be somewhere here. Minus 1, 1. Acha, it will not be. Acha, there is one more mistake. It's not
slope कैसे निकालना है?
slope. Slope भी निकालने की जरूरत है क्या यहाँ पे?
लग रहा है पड़ेगी।
नहीं, पढ़ना तो नहीं चाहिए.
मैंने लेंथ ऑफ टैंजेंट भी निकाल दी तो आई है। और भी 2 है, टैंजेंट भी 2 है।
This is the point. ये this is, अच्छा ये तो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो बाद में. सेंटर है इसका 1, 3. अच्छा ये 1 है. अच्छा थोड़ा सा डायग्राम थोड़ा सा और अच्छा होना चाहिए. थोड़ा डायग्राम में अच्छे से
But
बना
how
दो.
did you find out the coordinates of the center?
Coordinates of center using the basic one. Basic the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. The center is minus g minus f. Compared, see this square x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. For this circle, the center is this now, and radius is this. Compare with this. 2g is minus 2, so g will be what? Minus 1.
Minus 1 and then it will be minus 3. But you written 1, 3.
हाँ 1, 3 only ना.
I got it.
Radius is of 2. So now we have to take a point minus 1, 1. Minus 1, it's see this is, if we draw the coordinate system, it will be somewhat like this. Like this. Where this distance is 1. Obviously, this distance also is equal to 1. Because radius is 2. Now they are saying point is minus 1, 1. Means minus 1, 1 this point is. If you draw the tangent from here, one tangent here, one tangent here. Using geometry also you can find this. They are parallel, actually perpendicular. And this distance is 1. This is 2. What they are saying, if these tangents touch the circle at the point A and B, this is suppose A, this is suppose B. D is a point on the circle, so the length of the segment AB is equal to the length of segment AD. Why it should be, which one will be equal? See, this is AB, then the segment which should be equal to this should be this now. AD. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, then BD would be diameter.
It's not, in this case it would be diameter. BD would be diameter.
But it need not be diameter.
Here, but see, here because I have found out using, actually I wanted to draw this way because I have drawn it using the coordinate system. We have found out it's a diameter. So that it will become easier for you.
BD diameter तो उसकी वैल्यू 4 हो गई ना,
हाँ तो
तो
इसकी,
आंसर मेरा 4 आ रहा है।
हाँ इसकी 2 है, इसकी 2 है, तो आंसर 4 आ जाएगा ना.
हाँ,
Yes.
Then the area will be this half into half, 2 into 4, so it will be
स्लोप निकाला
4.
उसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी।
इसीलिए तो मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया था ना राधिका ये, because
Sir, I didn't get one thing. How do we know that BD diameter?
BD diameter है. अच्छा, because देखो AD is equal to AB. Now this point B, these are tangents actually, because this is a coordinate, ये कोऑर्डिनेट है. इसको अगर आप एक्सटेंड करोगे टेंजेंट को तो ये ऐसे ऐसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली ये जो पॉइंट ए और बी होंगे आपके, वो पॉइंट जो ए होगा वो आपका ये क्या होगा, यहाँ पर होगा, ये 1,1 है ना. अब ये 1,1 पॉइंट है जहां पे टच कर रहा है ये टेंजेंट इसको. तो अब इस इसका कोऑर्डिनेट अगर तुम निकालोगे, इस सेंटर क्योंकि तुम्हारा 1,3 है, तो इसका भी 1 है एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट. 3 कैसे आया, इस पॉइंट को अगर 2 डिस्टेंस एक्सटेंड करते हो, मतलब इसमें ये ऐड करते हो, इफ यू ऐड दिस 2 यू विल गेट द सेंटर, राइट. That means you are adding the radius and it's becoming the center. So this point, obviously, so this point, this B should be the left point of the center.
Okay,
So,
Hmm.
sir, I just now came from school, sir.
Actually, we have not started anything new. Actually, we were solving the questions. But
Okay.
See, Deva, this is one way of solving the question, because I have shown this by drawing on the coordinate system. If you do not do it this way, just solve using your simple method like this, taking -1,1 as the outside point, draw 2 tangents, this one, B, this is A, this is B, like we were doing earlier. This is A, this is B. Now, if you see, this is your center here somewhere, 1,3. Now he has asked that there is a point D such that AB and AD are equal. If you draw this will be AB. Now, in what case, how will the AD will be equal to AD? AB and AD you have to draw. So see, the D point will be, AB will be equal to AD if and only if this D is here. D is somewhere here, so that this length and this length are equal. This length and this length are equal. So obviously, if in a triangle, if this length and this length are equal, obviously you know this radius is equal, because these both are radius. Okay, this is also a radius. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So that means you can easily find out this one. Means using this triangle, you will find out this angle. This angle is, so this angle, so you have this is phi. So this angle will be phi. This is theta. This is theta. Means this also will be angle theta, and this angle will be also be theta. So using that, you can easily find out the area if you want.
Okay, sir.
Because actually what the thing is na, the area of this thing, this area, and this area, they both will be equal. So you just have to find out this distance using your trigonometry, using your property of triangle. Means this, you will find out this angle you will find, this angle you will find, this angle will be your 2 pi minus phi. 2 into pi minus phi. I have given you the easier method. Now if you know the triangle inequality, to find out this BD length, BD square is equal to your, this is R square plus R square minus 2R square cos 2 into pi minus phi. You know this one in a triangle, this property in a trigonometry. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is angle theta. Then C square will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Using that also you can find. But this is much easier, the above one. Okay, whatever way suits you, you can do it. This is method 1, this is method 2. But tell me once, Diva, Radhika, Shyama, Haripriya, do you know this property in a triangle? I think
No,
in the class I remember in the class I think I have discussed it sometime. This one during trigonometry. When I was explaining you know that those trigonometry things are not there. Diva was absent, but you guys were present. This is there, and sine rule is also there. This is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3, suppose. So you can use this one. A by sine theta 2 है ना, B by sine theta 3. मैंने तुम्हें बताया था शायद. हाँ,
तो मुझे मेथड तो क्लियर नहीं.
कौन सा नीचे वाला क्लियर नहीं है?
यस सर, ऊपर वाला आ गया. सेकंड वाला इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बस अरे यार इसमें देखो, तुम्हें रेडियस पता है, ये डिस्टेंस पता है, दिस सेंटर और इसका डिस्टेंस, तो ये एंगल ऑब्वियसली तुम लोग ये एंगल निकाल ही सकते हो, है ना, जैसे तुमने पहले निकाला था. दिस एंगल यू कैन फाइंड आउट, this one. Now if you find out this angle, you can easily find out this angle. This you found out, this you will know, है ना. Once you have found out this angle, that red dot, that angle that I have done, twice of this will be this angle, and this angle are same, so twice of this will be this phi. You've got this one. राधिका समझ आया? Yes sir, angle.
You have, तुम्हें बस यही वाला एंगल निकालना है, ये वाला जो रेड डॉट वाला जो एंगल है, और जो कि तुम
एंगल फाइंड करते हैं, फिर हमने वो वाला मेथड यूज करना है.
हाँ, फिर हमें ये वाला मेथड यूज कर देना है. if you are this is only when you are not able to draw this kind of coordinate geometry diagram. Usually when you draw something like in coordinates using coordinate system, things become easy. But if you do not think that way, you can just draw these angles and find out these angles and use your triangle property to find out the unknown things. दिवा शांत है भैया. दिवा बताओ समझ में आया कि नहीं? डाउट तो नहीं है?
सर आ गया, फिर मैं एक बार ये ट्राई करूंगी फिर से.
इसको घर पे ट्राई करना. Everyone, you try this one at home. This is the question that I've given you as homework. Now, in the remaining time, I'll tell you one thing that I wanted to tell you. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to circle. Shyama, you attempt at home. Shyama is there or not? Yeah, कोई बात नहीं. Shyama तो बहुत late join. Pause the recording. See, the equation of tangent to the circle, how you will do it? This is one circle. You want to find out the equation of tangent. If you remember or not, I have earlier told you. If I did not tell you, don't worry. If a circle, if any curve is there, this will be applied in the parabola, ellipse, and all those things also. If a function is there, y is equal to f of x, this is the equation of curve. The slope of the tangent is given by m is equal to tan theta, means the angle which it makes with the x-axis, will be equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. This is a point x1 comma y1. This is a point x1 comma y1. And if you want to find out the slope of the tangent on this curve, it will be dy by dx at this particular point. I'll give you an example, don't worry. Suppose the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Simple one. Center is 0, 0. I want to find out the equation of tangent to this circle at 1, 0. Suppose. First, I want to find out the slope of this tangent. How? Because I know it is dy by dx at 1, 0. I'll find out dy by dx. For this, dy by dx will be what? 2x. I'm differentiating this x square plus y square is equal to 1. (2x plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is what? Minus x by y. But I want at 1, 0. So dy by dx will be at 1, 0. It will be minus 1 divided by 0. This is our slope. Now, this is how we find out the slope for tangent at any point. Okay. Now we want to find out the equation.
Tangent का slope negative हो जाता है.
जरूरी नहीं है. नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है, पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है. डिपेंड्स. यू कैन ड्रॉ सो
Negative
मेनी.
कब होता है?
नेगेटिव तब होता है जब तुम यहाँ टेंजेंट बनाओगे.
बाकी जगह positive.
हाँ, बाकी जगह पॉजिटिव होगा. बिकॉज दिस एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री.
Obvious.
अब देखो टेंजेंट के स्लोप, यू हैव फाउंड आउट टेंजेंट द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट. नाउ द इक्वेशन विल बी व्हाट? बिकॉज दिस इज अ लाइन, point is x1 y1, slope you know, point slope form you can find. This you will understand, Diva, when you will study that one, straight lines. Watch the video. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is how we find out the equation of a line when the line has a slope m and x1 y1 lies on it. X1 y1 is a point on the line. Here in this case, x1 y1 lies on the tangent also on the circle, because this lies on the line tangent, and slope we have found out, slope of tangent. So we can find out the equation of tangent. Easy. Okay, understood?
Mm. Mm.
Yes.
Yes, na? Okay. This is how we find out the equation of tangent. There is one more trick. Trick is, it's a trick I'll tell you in the next class. Quickly solve and find out the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at a point 1, 1.
Can we do it as homework, sir?
It's very easy.
Yeah.
Do it just now.
So
One.
today I had work by energy test, sir. I made one blunder mistake, sir. They gave a graph.
Hmm.
In that, generally in work by energy will get FX graph. I didn't see it was FX graph. It was FT graph. So I just multiply the area and wrote it. And then when I saw now like it was FT, so you'll get the momentum. Then you need to do it. I made a mistake with that. So stupid mistake.
Sometimes it happens. That's why we need to give more papers. This is a mock test only. Don't worry. Just remember this. Write
Sir,
it in a.
and most of the questions today came from PYQ. Lot.
That's why I told you na. Do
Like,
PYQs.
yeah, PYQ is only they asked.
Hmm.
But some question was a bit tough, sir. Like, slightly tough.
If you are able to solve those questions, okay. Otherwise, send me.
Okay, sir, I'll send it to you.
Okay. This you do as homework, everyone. I think most of you have got this answer now. Okay, it's very easy. In the next class, I'll give you one shortcut to find out the equation of tangent, and then we'll do questions on tangents and all. Okay, let's end it.
Thanks, sir.